Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tiffany and we're watching a Broke Girl Aesthetic. I'm going to do something a little different today. I took off the month of July because it's been a very busy month and honestly I have literally no creative oomph whatsoever. So I thought, well, I'm going to just try a kit. So I looked on Amazon for some DIY kits and I came up with this really cute one, and I think I want to try this today. I haven't even opened it yet, so I don't know what else in here. So I'm unboxing and a craft at the same time. Alright, so let's see what we got. Okay, here's all the stuff. Really? I had to? Okay. I'm also filming on my new iPad. I'm testing it out. I don't think it's going to work out too well, but we'll just give it a shot. So, this comes with 3 little hexagonal shapes. I don't know what that is. Rubber bands. We've got some felt fake succulent things. Looks like double-sided tape or something. Instructions. Easy peasy. Scissors. Got those. Hardwork surface. Ruler. I don't have a ruler, but I don't really need that. Okay, well, where's the plastic? I'm missing something here. There's supposed to be little plastic bits. I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's in there. Okay. Should probably help if I actually open the whole thing, right? Here we go. Okay. Here. That's what it's talking about. This is the moss. Okay, we're going to go get some more of that out of my stash. Double-sided tape. Oh, it's chalk. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. First, putting the little plastic bits to put in here. Do I really need a ruler for this? There's a line. Following the score lines. The tabs. Fold, fold, fold. Easy enough. So it'll go in there, like that. That's what this is for. Boom. Right there. And it's not sticking to my fingers. Right there. Pardon my AC. It's very loud in here right now because it's very hot. That's probably another reason why I've had no desire to just do anything. The heat has just been terrible. So, pull off the tape backing thing here. Alright. Maybe. I should get my get my little Cricut picker tool out. Okay, I don't want to do that one. Let's do the silver one first. I think I want to paint these. Let me just press that down in there. How's that look? Does that look good? Alright. I've got an earbud that keeps falling out of my ear. Alright. So we got one down. Now, fill it with the rocks. Pick 2 felt plants. Oh, these are pretty long. We'll start with this one. Well, it's telling me to use this one, so I guess this is the one I should use first, huh? So start at the little end. Never really done many of these like paper rolled flower things. I think I did a project a couple of years ago on here that had paper flowers. Okay, we'll just go with that. See, now I even got my hot glue out thinking I would need it. But this thing says to use the elastics. So, right here. So, I'll get one of these out. Super noisy, oh my goodness. The elastic. Can I flip it twice? Close enough. Alright, arrange the petals. That's kind of hard to do when they're all stacked on top of each other. Close enough. Use it. I'm not going to use the chalk. What's this? Tape. Oh, for the moss. Okay. Tape. So we take a little piece of the tape, ball it up to stick the moss in. Go from there. There's one. Let's do this one. Yes, I know my lighting is also terrible. Like I said, I haven't been doing much in the way of crafting or much anything else. It's been a hot, busy month, and just, that's how it goes sometimes, you know. Just do this one. You guys ready for fall? Ready for school to start? My youngest is going to be a junior. So that's going to be fun. Charlie turned 2 a week and a half ago. And he is all too. And there's another reason why I haven't been around too much. Not a lot of time to do YouTubing with a 2-year-old. Okay, that's not working. We are going to go ahead and use a little bit of hot glue, I think. I gotta turn on. Let's see what it says about this moss. Let's work on that a little bit. I don't want 3 pieces, so I'm just going to do 1. Cut a piece here. Cut 3 pieces. Nope. Tape. Take it off of here. Yep, there's the instructions right there. Come on. I'll have you know, I'm literally recording this just at the spur of the moment, and there's no prep work involved, if you can't tell. I'm just going to chat with you a little bit. I'm not even going to edit this, I'm just going to upload it when I'm done. There we go. And we'll open up this moss. Ooh. It's just green dust. It's moss-like, all right. And I was thinking, I have these fairy lights that have just come into the Dollar Tree. And I was thinking, in one of these, I might put the fairy lights in behind. But I don't know. Clean that guy off. And okay, that's not going to work either. So I guess it's a little bit of Mod Podge, because my batteries for my glue gun are dead. So rolling it from the wrong direction. I think this will probably work better than some rubber bands, you know? Alright. Check out this bad boy. Yeah, much better. that's much better. I like that a lot better. Just let that sit. And I don't feel like messing with this moss, so I grabbed my reindeer moss that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna stick it in there. Leave that little guy in there, but some little pieces. It's too much. It's a big chunk, isn't it? Something like this. Shove that down in there in the front. And I glued these. So I'm going to just do this. Stick that there. Pop that up, stick that one there. I mean, it's kind of cute. It would definitely give me an idea of how to make a, you know, a bigger, like, actual wooden planter. Get some, like, plexi, or you might even could use the, those cutting mats from the Dollar Tree, maybe. I don't know if they're clear enough, but it would serve the same purpose to make a cute little terrarium. But hey, not bad. I will leave this linked down below in my description box if you're interested in something like this. Maybe I'll have my kid do the other ones. Just a fun project. Oh wow. Could be something interesting. But yeah, like I said, let me know what you guys think. Check the description box for links. And hey, I hope you guys have had a wonderful summer. Yeah, it's just been super busy. Between watching the baby full time, as you know, I've been doing for 2 years now, basically, and the new online job I have, which I talked a little bit about. It's actually really fun. Trying to figure how to describe it. It's training AI, so if that's your sort of thing, if that's something that you think is fun or interesting, or you'd like to check into that, I'll leave that link down below as well. It's a fun side gig that pays pretty good, and you know, like I said, I'm recording on a brand new iPad, and that's why. It's because of this job, so it will enable me to, I hope, add to my crafting collection and my DIY tools and everything else to hopefully pick up and get some more stuff made for this channel. Next weekend, I believe, is the Power Up Challenge. I still have not done my Power Up. I have not come up with my thing for that yet. I really want to participate, but I'm having a hard time figuring out what to do. And it's so hot outside, and I really just don't want to be outside making anything with my tools, because that's where all my tools are. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So, hey, thank you guys for coming and watching, and if this is something you like to see, or if you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to be alerted to all of my new uploads. And I will see you guys next time. Take care, y'all. Bye.